If you are a non-native speaker of English, you probably think, oh, English pronunciation is not great and all native English speakers know how to pronounce every word. I will tell you a secret. There are some words, specifically British place names, that if you don't know how to pronounce them, you will not be able to pronounce them. And this includes Americans. I'm really sorry, my American friends, but British people often laugh at your pronunciation of two important things. The first is this big square in the centre of London, which, by the way, British people never go to, is just for tourists. And this is not Leicester Square, as it looks like, it's Leicester. Leicester Square. Two syllables. You can imagine it's spelled Lester. Leicester Square. And the other one is also a place in the UK and it's the name of a famous sauce. You may have tried it in a Bloody Mary. It's not something you put on your food yourself, but often cooks will add it to give flavour to the sauce. It's made with anchovies and who knows what else. The name of this sauce? Worcester sauce. It looks like it has far more syllables than that, but we don't pronounce them. Just Worcester. Worcester sauce. So if you're an American watching this, you can go to England now and be confident that you can go to Leicester Square and order your Bloody Mary with Worcester sauce and nobody will laugh at you.